Drops and payphones, talk low, don't linger. Static in my earpiece, paranoia got a finger. Yeah, on the pulse of the night, on the wire of the street. If the truth got a price, then it's paid in receipts. Dick drops and payphones, we move like shadows. Every word got weight, when the whole world rattles. Can't trust what you see, when the lens got a bias. So I whisper to the booth like, keep me alive. I'm on when the game calm, in the corner where the neon don't reach, where the city got secrets and refuse to teach. Old school methods, no location on, cause the modern day trap is a microphone strong. They say just post it, I say that's a snare. This attention is currency and predators there. So I write in margins, fold it twice, stick it under bricks where the rain won't slice. A name with no face, a lead with no proof, but the pattern too loud to ignore in the youth. I remember payphones, cold metal, warm fear, quarter in, tell the truth, disappear. Cause the call might be tapped, might be tracked by a click. I've been saved as evidence off a vibe and a snippet. And the game got refined, now it's legal to watch. Cause you click, I agree, and you handed the knives. But I'm still on my mission. Eyes open, calm, if they listening, let them hear me move smart. If you got the message, burn a map. If you need the truth, learn the traps. If you got the message,